Right, listen, we took off the bed. We're gonna do a Cnotch. Cnotch is gonna go like right here. Be metal. But yeah, so we just put the jack stands in the front. We're gonna get ready to cut the frame. We're just gonna take off the tires real quick. Pretty simple, nothing too crazy. We're gonna bolt it on. But I like guys for the driver's side, make sure you take off these lines, look, because that's what we're gonna cut. So if you guys are doing this, make sure you unbolt these lines and get them out of the way, so also you might cut into them, which is what you don't want. But oh yay, this is how the freaking Cnotch is gonna go, something like that. Just gotta cut that little piece off.
Hey, Benito.
We're gonna move the lines real quick. Alright, here, mark it. I'm holding it. It's all black there. Alright, I can still see the marking.
This is how you make your truck salvaged.
Yep.
There you go.
Shit's salvaged, dude. On top of the Cnotch on. It's fucking.
It's just fucking cutting and measuring and cutting and measuring. But once you finish, that's how it should look like.
Now we're just gonna drill it on and do the other
Drill the
stuff.
holes and then bolt them on. I know you guys are gonna say, why didn't you weld it? You don't have a welder.
I don't have a
I
welder.
mean, the bolts will hold it anyway. So yeah, this dude's gonna knock out that other side. Oh, also make sure when you cut, spray paint it so it don't rust for you. Pero ahí está.
Alright, we done with the Cnotch. Now we just need to bolt it on real quick. Should take forever, as you can see. It's freaking dark.
Nah, until like, yeah, it took a little bit.
We still have to put the bed on.
Use a 1/2-inch drill bit. Oh yeah, you drill these bitches out.
Hey guys, so we fucking, it's night now. We finished the Cnotch. There it is. We just bolted up real quick. It's all chilling. Put the wheels on right now. I better jump on that way. Let's see the clearing. See, there you go. We're just chilling now.
Oh, yeah.
You won't bottom out no more. So if you do a flip kit, you most likely need a Cnotch.
Just do it.
That's what we found out. Yeah, put a Cnotch.
Even without the shackles, you'll still bottom out.
Yeah.
See, you won't have the shackles on, and I'll still bottom out. So
Yeah, this fool had stuck shackles and flip kit. So he was like 6 inches low already, and he was hidden. Probably with the roads from Denver. Oh, shitty. Oh, garbage. Maybe you guys out there in Texas, you guys' roads aren't that bad. But oh yeah, we're done. We're just gonna put the bed on real quick. I mean, it's nice, so we really can't record that much. But I mean, we'll put the bed on, and then probably the next day we'll get a few shots of it. But oh yeah, guys, like that. There's the Cnotch. It's not that bad. It's just cutting it. It's just measuring it good and cutting it, and then just doing shit slow. And it's not that bad. I know you guys are gonna be like, why didn't you weld it or whatever? Like, I mean, we don't have a welder. We would have if we had one, but I mean, it should hold up. It's fine. We torqued it down with the impact gun and everything, and we torqued them down. So we're chilling. But yeah, there it is, boys. Make sure to follow, comment, subscribe, boys. Suscríbanse. Only 80% of the views we get aren't subscribed, so please subscribe, boys. Help us reach 10K. Alright, let's go. Peace out.